we are here now, let's quickly go to try to create the background. For creating the background, we can have many hint and options, but we can also use the gradient fill. Let's change the color to something more visible. This is good. And then let's see for linear, radical, and also rectangle and path. Let's go with radical and this kind of radical. And now let's change the colors, for example, to something like this, but we reduce the transparency and add something like this, and we reduce the transparency. We reduce it to 30, and here its transparency go to 30, and we are going to add another one here, and the transparency is going to be 40, and we are going to add another one, and the transparency is going to be 50, and another one, and the transparency is going to be 60. Now we create a background, and here it's going to be, the transparency is going to be 80. Oh, sorry. The transparency is going to be 80. No, 99, 10%. Sorry, I make it wrong. Okay, we create the background. I think it's look quite good, but we can, whenever we want, change it. I'm going to change it. I'm going to make it more complicated by using an effect. That is the first time I'm using it, and I don't know if it's for good or not. We're going to give it a gradient fill, and then I'm going to just simply rotate this thing. How? I'm going to rotate it by this flip, and then I'm going to see this slide and take a screenshot, and then in new slide I want to add the background from the clipboard picture and apply it to all. Now our background picture has been created. It's a great blue we are going to use. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and ask me if you need anything in the comments. Until then.